Can I buy a Panasonic TV in the US? No, Panasonic no longer sells new TVs in the US, as the company exited the North American TV market several years ago. While Panasonic continues to manufacture high-end OLED and LED TVs for markets like Japan and Europe, these models are not officially sold in the United States. However, you may still find older, refurbished, or second-hand Panasonic TVs through third-party retailers or online marketplaces. 1. Why Panasonic stopped selling TVs in the US? Panasonic gradually phased out its TV sales in North America, mainly due to declining market share and increased competition from Samsung, LG, Sony, and TCL, shifting focus to other product categories, including appliances, automotive technology, and business solutions. The decline of plasma TVs, which were once Panasonic's specialty. 2. Where to buy a Panasonic TV in the US? If you still want to purchase a Panasonic TV, you can try online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and Walmart for used or refurbished models. Refurbished electronics stores that sell older Panasonic TVs. Importing a Panasonic TV from Europe or Japan with caution regarding power compatibility and warranties. Third best alternatives to Panasonic TVs in the US. Since Panasonic no longer sells TVs in the US, consider these brands as alternatives. LG offers premium OLED and nanocell TVs with top-tier picture quality. Samsung, known for QLED, OLED, and high-performance smart TVs. Sony provides OLED and LED TVs with high-end image processing. TCL and Hisense, budget-friendly 4K and QLED TVs with solid features. 4. Should you import a Panasonic TV to the US? If you're considering importing a Panasonic TV from another country, keep these factors in mind. Voltage differences. US TVs use 120 volts, while some international models use 220 to 240 volts, requiring a voltage converter. Warranty issues. Imported TVs may not be covered by local Panasonic service centers. Streaming app compatibility. Some apps and broadcast standards may not work in the US. Panasonic no longer sells new TVs in the US, but you may still find older models, refurbished units, or imports. If you want a brand new high-quality TV, consider Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, or Hisense as strong alternatives.